What I've got here is a rental wood chipper. It's supposed to be able to chip up to 6 inches. Well, let me tell you about that. Actually, they mean 2 to 3 inches. If you're running a 6-inch piece of wood through there, you're gonna have to back it up, back and forward, and let it chew it up because it's just gonna bog it down. This is the reason I rent it, because I'm never gonna use the thing to make it worthwhile to buy a new one. I may chip wood 4 or 5 times in my lifetime. Normally, the place that I rent from in Calhoun charges me about 160 bucks for the full day. When I went over there to get it, their junk was broke and they gave me no indication of when it would be fixed. So I was forced to run over to Cartersville and rent another one, which sets me back a couple dollars north of $200 for the day. They don't do half-day rentals. I have 24 hours to bring it back from the time that I take it. So this has to be back by 0800 in the morning, 8 o'clock for you normal guys. If you think you're gonna get a wood chipper like you see the phone company or the electric company running around there where you can stick logs in that big, think again. The biggest rental size that I can find is up to 6 inches, except for a couple places that do have the 12-inch wood chipper, but those things cost in excess of $400 a day. But those are a beast. You can't bog those things down, and they'll chew up anything, including whoever's helping you. As you can see, I've been collecting a pile of wood all summer as I clear the property. I try to keep the size of the wood down because I know I'm going to have to chip it with a 6-inch chipper, and I save the other for firewood. So let's move the truck around and get this thing set up and get it going. Let's see about aiming the discharge chute. This actually is a little easier than the one the last time I used. And that's set up. Let's see if this thing will start. Typically, rental equipment is not maintained as good as they could, and the people who rent them usually abuse them pretty bad. This is the choke. This is the throttle. Let's give it some choke. Turn it on and see if it'll run.
This
Well, I got that done. As you can see, I'm about one step from having a heat stroke. It got pretty hot out there today. This was not like the last wood chipper that I used. Well, the wood chipper would gobble up stuff a lot easier. You have to pretty much cut all the limbs off everything before it'll slide in there. I've got a little bit more time. I'm gonna take it on back to Cartersville. I don't really have anything else to say. If you found this interesting, subscribe, support the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.
Searching for your place, but is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me to learn your memories? Will I slowly lose my mind?